Basta.
After sigos master por ikanatol dito paku si Sabizo, dito dito Mangge'helo, Mangge'helo, Maga'låhen Hurao. Inakin United por destina Huntan Mangge'helo Hurao di alas 8:37. In anuncio di Huntan Mangge'helo Hurao para i-abril 2025 y Betnes via 25 via abril 2025 by natumahan to na in record and live streaming sa Mommy in YouTube at Maga'låhen Hurao. And siya kung sino yung sobi pinasa lista po sa buhat.
Sto naman na hudyo i-minutos i-alasan na hudyo, no?
Unalo kung sino yung sobi pinasa lista.
Okay. Ito na yung ako principal. Pues no, siya imangagi, i-member siya ni Mangge'helo di Huntan po. Si Subway, si Irensha, si Diha, Masi, si Guinifi, at si Maga'låhen. Pues Mangge'helo ko i-pauto para nominate para i-Maguna board, Maga'låhen Hurao, para Maga'låhen Hurao Academy, si Irene Faculo, si Mr. Joe Noel, si Brandon Cruz, and si Diha.
Si Masi na nagpatu pa ako. Put i-report yung sekretariat. Esta na nagusing yung minutos di kininidia 21 di Matsu as a rensya in pagkusidan Mommy. Kogwahan mo siyon para sa, or ko esta un revisa ito kaya i-watch na board. Ito na yung nalipok. Kogwahan mo siyon para sa prueba.
Bago akong palitan yun ulit.
At si naman si Gunduzi. Tapos si Dos Masi. Kogwahan para ma-udiskuti. Hindi toza, questa volta. Quanto viene in Hamzu una breve estima na motion? 1, 2, 3, toza huli kumontra? Pues esta mapasa estima motion. Si Dos Masi. Put i-report interest horario. Guahapit pending invoices. Ibibig din in February del Marzo. Lo sa apasi STC di mamaya na semana. Kami mana todo din in invoices.
So, as part of one of C1.
After day one, lagi lokwi.
Gagi live lokwi.
Lagi live lokwi sa in my report ha. That's that. Okay, put the report interest horario. That's so pending invoices. So payroll status, not totally salapi, but totally perfect size and the oficina, the oficina. First quarter after Saudi payroll. Payroll is good. We are up to date. We are paid. Moving forward to the account balances. In the main account, the account with the government funds in it, balance as of the 23rd of April, we are standing at $52,680.98. At this point, we are good. Again, like I said, mentioned before, for payroll, and all of our pending invoices should be covered under that as well. The segundo account had the fundraisings and donations. We pag-umababa i-mapos na $1 peso. We haven't deposited that in since the in so we was na class na SMS all week. So pretty soon we're gonna put it in there. Okay? It's just not enough time and not enough people. No, we're recording that. Kogwahan motion para sa prueba as in report interest horario.
The government secondary.
Since it was modesty. Kogwahan para madiskuti para as in. Questa volta quanto di nanzi una prueba esti motion. La prueba approved 1, 2, 3. C1. Con la prueba report in Tresorario. One, Alga. Dua semua. Kubaha Kumontra. No issues. Taza. And then Taza Huli. Pues esta la pasta esti namusho. Si dua semua si dua santo. Puri report in principal. The enrollment update. Esta pago guarda 91 na Maga'låhen di escuela en MH. Esti na sa escuela. Lo guarda 45 man interesados. The Mananaga DSL. We have 45 people as of today on the waiting list for this upcoming school week. And we haven't even gone out and asked anyone to come yet, so not a big deal. Could it be attendance and behavior update? Thoughts or problema as of today with anything regarding attendance or behavior? So we're good so far. Kabahan. And it's cookies, but okay.
Especially also bagi esta pumara I opata chunsi lo and bagado mas kunan charge communication jadi manana jadi the kunan gua cari masuk itu ko mawai na attend pa to as I go in a casa tori punalo kunan na situations.
Pues lo in Namamali.
Home.
Okay, Diha.
And that's again. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. The BTECs and NH activities with the MOU that we have for both schools. Keep plano para module. Ito nga, kubahan
Should be a
mas.
standard ones. Low
Kubahan mas
down,
hindi.
may mensahe na from Maga'låhen pamabuan manat, February, dari pamabuan 5, yang Maga'låhen kinder, Diha 28, mulai para total tentang tadi, seperti isang kilo, 28 pamabuan 5 galas, yes, again,
Yes.
dan pamabuan manat dari alas po, kita lang, pero
Yeah. Qual faz o máximo de informação para registrar aqui na hora? Kubahan mo para sa accredited SD na report principal.
Go with the
Sindur policy. Ati siya mga segundo si report principal. Terus masuk. Kubahan para diskuti. Taza. Dan taza pues terbuka. Uno. One. Kumalika yung report principal. Si Jules Maasik. Dan si Sana Malika si Sana Perry. Sana Wasali. Kubahan kumontra. Tata huli kumontra pues este na pasa este na mission. Si Jules Maasik para itu. Diba sa matuli ora para da
na Halloween,
nuevo na board of directors.
nuevo na haga.
Kuaha cuatro na nuevo.
Okay.
Si Doreen Capulo, si Dina Pangaline, si Joe Noel, and si Lee Brandon Cruz. Odell, the lady. Diha. Pues, para tabota corporate.
Sino ba rin bottom license o ba?
Kalau buat pluma,
Oh,
enggak.
Sempre ci siamo a volta.
senior.
I malo punya aku ha. Sana
Basta na nagdugay mo to eh.
Todo bien, profe.
Ay, parang may nuevo. Imana Buhasa, esta Gagi Hamzu official, di MH, no, di Mangge'helo, di
Oh,
esta Tuhan.
The man of Toby si wants that. Oh,
I can check.
Teka, how did you chat?
British Highland.
Lo para ano siya kasi?
Ay, sige, para to 20.
Sa pagkabota para sa nominate,
yeah,
pues sa bota Harlem, and then bota
the officer. It's three different steps. We've already nominated them to come in.
yeah, pues sa segundo
Pues bota para
Harlem,
na Harlem board.
right?
Pues
And then the
the board
officials.
officer. Okay.
Yes, I know, sir. All of them are there. So that's a good, sir. If we're recording, shouldn't you show them?
Dispenser, I didn't do any.
All the new members are there.
Okay.
So shouldn't I say we're recording? Okay.
Okay, we're recording on the live.
Yeah, so I'm saying, so shouldn't you at least introduce them, or did you earlier? I don't know.
Okay, that's that.
We did,
I
we did.
that.
You already recorded them on the recording. That's it.
So Cecilia will be in 93.
There you go.
Dispenser, I keep forgetting you on the idea of the dispenser.
Okay. Gua kaya song and anti Toby sisa ezgi dispenser no webu alman Toby that webu lo Maga'låhen Hurao ni nomination ezgi na sita the Toby lo para I official gua in discutir di CHA dos na organização right Chief Academy da Maga'låhen Hurao pues Chief Academy Mangge'helo public speaker no Chief Academy Transition Board pareo para MH lo pago ilistuit para tanah Mangge'helo nuevo lo put para uma continua pero sagaha pro hano waktu lo pit usasaga si sagwi who will chair Winnie as the key listu hazi para chair the MH but para dia sa the transition as the maagang para itinalaga, no? Si listo. Pues visa si maket, visa tresorario, then si irenja visa secretaria. Po fanano ha gini MH po makontinua pues Maga'låhen fanan tinisita the water as well pro max nomination. Sa tazo ocho. So lu wala competition na para tabota. Lo taza está en Bison Hamzu ile mizo Huntan pues okuka para sangen Huntan fisha gini na malaka Hamzu sa solo tabota como baja competition como baja ocho sia the big one yes gets Hamzu that to be na mizo pues tabota lo para pago es necesario. No?
Y
No te hagas. Don't see us.
Mama Lasia, as he na necessary na bota haji pro nuevo Mangge'helo Maga'låhen Hurao. Pues esta cabales tresorario secretaria o necesita
co-chair.
segundo na Mangge'helo. As he necesita bota. Segundo Mangge'helo.
That's what we follow, that's what we
Fanan as a senior in nominate pop. Nominate Haji Mangge'helo, senior Quintus, the song and Hafa Tatimizo. What's your background? So that we can, that's what we have to. So Maga'låhen there's only one position for officer that is being vice. So I'm getting senior and introduce another song, and then from there, who's going to be the vice chair?
Sana kontrabisiya para segundo Mangge'helo niya.
Hanggang Maga'låhen.
senior.
Pues siya
Senior,
sa
Manana.
Huntan. Siya man manyano di binatan di segundo Mangge'helo.
Segundo Mangge'helo. Kasi sa tori pumalo sa Mangge'helo, right? Part of the transition.
No, they're not going too far. They're still on CHA. I still have a riding wheel looking at it.
Now put an officer, code, it's
Segundo
only,
Mangge'helo. Pues
it's
uno gets a house in a quattro.
only one of us four.
Sa uno na position sa transition into so I think
No,
introducing him to someone go into the sounds and soccer. Na mabahay, ujung na mabahay na unang tulasti. And then they bring Melbourne to pagkabon sa tibi, pagkakak experience dito kasi sige, polo sa mga. Sina kundo kita sa Victoria Mangota. And then hundreds okay? Pues sino ang alam kaya uno sa kanya.
Sinabi mo
Mani ang pagkabon.
Also, Diha is my first time to be in the book. And I like to support the school. I would like to support more of the school. So,
Then, how part din
very about me, the class 2.
That's not.
Hopefully, I'm Joe Noel. I'm a huge supporter of Hurao and Sinai Winifi, and I just want to be part of this great movement that you guys are doing, and whatever I can do to help.
Half a day. I'm happy to be here. I have 2 nannies that attend and a future nanny on the way. So I'm excited to participate in the future and the growth of Maga'låhen Hurao. Suzus Masi.
Day during Maga'låhen. I have 2 boys here in Manat and Mangge'helo. And it's been great being a part of Maga'låhen Hurao and Chief Hurao previously, so look forward to the movement.
Dapat samani hamtu dili na pilason sa hani formasi hamtu parang panahon and pasti hamtu wow hani kasi sabi kanan ingat adik hamtu parang pasti hamtu lo parang Diha inside MH board atau fanbot atau put na igelo na MH lo parang Diha si Lee Brandon go off and never na sana finendo na second go off so masanaw gitoro actividad biniki na natos go interesado atleta gagana gini ja kinalantata may malalagoy ko action to put this up. We're an active board. We need to be an active board. It's not just taking a seat and going to the meetings. It's getting involved in the everyday. It's what we need. It's just what the mission calls for. It's not a job. It's a mission. So, hindi kinalatina that mami na ben maitata pero patinas diferencias and decision para kumusta na gumilo kwi ezigina inkondiza at to get SCN second mega contribution pues John Noel who Agnes disiki JWS Agnes Manari para Hurao disiki total passing air conditioner and then single size air conditioner disiki bagyan kisim and all he's now with Alice Trust and with all his movements, he's been supporting one way or another. He was the one who Guiza Manapandanya Toru and Manenta and the Patapara, Konip Toru Tautanya, and Manauta Manuturus, Jasia Magari Toru, and Manatura, contribution. Mega or true SIA contribution. He's now also entered into, he just offered to apply for grants for us through Homeland Security and just other opportunities. Senior. Sina Caesar Tamusa, given visa, the Mega Caesar, the Hassan of Icing, as he has sign up on receipt dynasty. We got 4 or 5 cabinets delivered just today. I don't know if you know that, but you're AK.
You're right.
We heard that you guys need this, so we're delivering it. And it was delivered in 2 days. Mega Mafaisin Syria. They could let go. Home yet. The Manganova and the final cabinet, so it's in the teacher's office right now. Caesar's Marcy. See, then, you know, if I'm going to have a school, I'll have that temple in Somna, what to the school. When you say army, when you guy connect side, then see what you want, see, put you. Then one will look it. What acres, you know, see, just see, tasking, see, doing, oh, I said, one, no, name, was it this too? Was it Ilaku na tori tampu Hurao na napan makukuha di Ilaku ano that's so much to be then you're going to get I brought
I give you record.
Pues si Ivy sumasabi como presidente in chamber lo hagas sana kuni kita Hurao para si putih ng kuni kanana sa chesamis dan go masa hafa mana dura you know kung again thousand na ahi hunggan na klasin Palawan and auto pues SHS honest and go na laksi pamangasa Infinite sa kuni sa SHS honest is putih ng pues bago si Dominic primer army gifat lo go laksi dan pareho dan si Brandon golf Palawan action Toria tiga ay manajura atuka ti pare pamaman pare interior escola no tora hanju si dreaming pareho lo harvest sana kuni gifat ko honest Cada sabe si vive na posição nada pues ya final essa 4-5 anos si diventa hagas in keke halahal disi bisi lohan lo siya you know say mommy I then surviving about this in this then puri you know waha tatene di bankulo ko isinya na dula no put half of the susuri plus Hamdu Pagu in Utungan above Umiti Hamdu Tinsa, seven plus Bob is on it, but often at a son, you know, in Attic Hamdu or in Kumbira Hamdu, and Sama Munina Kinalaptin, Namishon. Plus, Queen of Puppet, Sina and Tiki Unohana Nahan, Haji, Konvizu, Parasibu, Gehiro. The moment this can now know identity Hamdu and Google essay transition, now this one to set. Google Mangge'helo si Salbury ko sa do Tori Tetsu Google Nifi Tor do Tori Salbury Karadia was Nisita na sa guru na Nyaba Itetsu Nizu that you're flexible with your work because when I called you to call
That's a very record.
Not all of the time, but most of the time.
Mas Maga'låhen action ginagawa si action tinagay tempo lo mega kotse hago tatututu pues necesitas en actividades más pues hasta sina lagi
Just until we're voting for vice president?
Sana, para
para i-MH the only one that's going to TCHS.
you know, okay, sana.
Yeah, they clarified for me.
Thanks.
You can email
Because they're already in, so
yeah.
i-hati sama-sama di MH
It's just between the two.
I'll actually
Sa
O
amin.
sa Tiger Cinema. No, punto siya cinema bota.
Oh,
For
sa
some reason, no. Size na bota.
Kung may bota.
amin na. Or, amin na.
What's the size?
Yeah.
The size bota and 300. Mati,
Daí eu falando igual veio pro fundo.
Ito may bota. Kung yan, sino ang bota may bota?
You guys are voting on chair.
Vice chair.
Vice chair. Okay. Why not?
Yeah.
Watching is not over here.
Not again.
Wait, what about the chair? That's the.
So busy.
Yes.
The chair.
We can transition.
Sige, no. No, for the first
Oh,
year.
bisita prima.
Okay.
Magpapos.
No, but
As you said.
the transitional chair and pada temporary just like mabota halo di man permanente no
Ay, manaw na para laan naman sa kid sa art na
Equals to have to like that. It's a cost.
So just lost
Like,
a contribute show and also.
Kaya na siya. Kulang dito na ako.
It's an acquisition. Namin ni Maga'låhen Hurao na kinitin. Hold on.
She's the vice chair. Yeah, Sabi is the chair.
Okay.
And it's amongst us four.
to include self-nomination.
So you nominate one person as vice chair because everybody's in place right now for transition. So the only office open right now is vice chair.
And the rest are what are the other positions, or what's?
Eventually.
They're just
Directors.
Directors, yeah.
Directors.
So you just serve as directors.
Of voting
Whoever
directors.
doesn't. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying, you know, don't worry. You.
Don't worry, you'll have a chance.
Whatever.
Yeah, tingnan ko yung mag-isa.
Okay, matches na.
Put the standing committees, Tatebo ST5 to Huntan, then the Diha and has to have a seat in the Mangge'helo now. So for the standing committees, we won't vote now. It's by volunteer, so you can kind of go through which ones you feel like you would like to committee chair.
Fundraising.
Everybody's so.
And then on the next.
Yeah, I mean,
No,
everybody's gonna help.
everyone's
Somebody's
on.
gotta be.
Right, one?
One is gonna hit.
So we go to Huntan.
One muna, kurang tu tulis one muna sana.
Just how did you do?
One muna kalau ko na like mo na tulo di mo sa mga damo.
Kung nga, i-antios na.
Agad.
Transparency, change.
Question. How often, cada año is that school year, how often do you vote in or change
Every year.
officers? Is it by school year or by calendar?
Well, now we're gonna try to do by
It's
school
gonna
year, so.
have to be
With the new
school year, because our budget follows the school year with the government. So it's August to September 30.
Okay, that's done.
Just not-
You know what, you're not going
Just
far.
curious, just curious.
Once you're on board for that. Oh, this one's like, kasi yun na, this one's like,
Is it
Mega.
Do they have a time frame or is it a maximum? So do I have maximum years to serving or it's just every year re-elect? How does it work? What is the,
Every year we re-elect.
but that's just for officers, but how about for board members itself? Is there a maximum term?
Yeah, there's-
Some board, do they have, you have to serve 3 or 5 and then you have to get out sometimes or, you know, is there a maximum?
There's no maximum, according to our bylaws and articles, there's no maximum as long as they continue to vote you in and you continue to serve. So it could be lifetime. That's all I'm saying.
Explain to me why you think there's differences.
Okay, I'm just checking because I've probably been here the longest, so
Yes, that's why. For life,
That's not probably, you have been here the longest.
Yeah.
I wanna let the bylaws.
If we amend the bylaws, unanimous vote.
That's it.
It's a life sentence one.
Dispenser, oh, that's that? Do we just go with?
Maga'låhen fan.
How do you must make it?
Welcome to the club, Mr. Joe Noel.
Dang.
Life sentence.
Oh, by the way, viva cumpleaños today. Just remember that you got nominated as an officer in Iraq on your
I
birthday.
voted in on your birthday.
What time is that?
See now?
27?
27.
I'm going out to walk.
No. I just told my kids they turn 27 every year.
Okay, go next up.
So, and accept that. Go ahead. You do it, Mom.
Okay,
Okay, into the old business.
Sige, nag-click sa ako. Already it's 1 minute.
Si Puribigo na pasunto, Puri Calendario 2025 and 2026 calendario. Binahusing via email. Binahusing email para i-email na sa akin na eskwela. Puesta revisa di 8 na Maga'låhen Hurao. Puri Eskwela and Tablet for middle school update. Wakan Huntan Mangge'helo Eskwela and Charter. The Charter School Council has a meeting. We are already on their agenda, so brace ourselves for that day. Puri classrooms, then a locker room update. The endowment is already looking for space for us to see where we can put our eskwela tablet for our middle school. Puri lunch program update. In Setsenwi 2 pesos kada pagdun dan nalakat sa Baratu para familia. Sensinya MH makagda 275 differences. So for now is covering the 275, and then our families are whoever's doing lunch is paying their $2 cada month.
Lo preno para 8 second. Seguro malakay 2 pesos. Lo ani like mami na para entero, no? Necesita te considera hapa te mano para aregena para natalon go sa kansa. Megena familia na necesita zuru. Sina makaga lo go necesita, tatse pues vamos gora lunch program gi federal lo bula requirements and meet bali para 475. Pues para, intimo na what you sa akin necesita
Mangge'helo to that for this, is that the SNAP program? Not the SNAP program. What do they call it?
Free lunch?
The free lunch program. Just looking into all the paperwork and all the requirements and all of that is pretty big stack. So that's something that we really need to revisit also if we want to move forward and try to apply for that.
We do, because I did look into it, we do need a certain percentage of our school population to be SNAP.
Yeah.
So we do need that information sign up of
Yeah.
who qualifies for SNAP. Because there's a certain percentage of our school population.
And if we don't have it, then we don't qualify.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
And the other schools that are qualified,
Like Wuhan has the
because they
majority
have
again,
a big base already.
so we need to find a way to collect that data.
What was enrollment again? 27?
91 right now.
91.
Yes.
And you have 40.
No, what you second, we're shooting for 150.
And then we have 45 on the wings,
Without any.
200.
without any advertising. But our max is 145. Or our max is 250 is what we're asking.
Low cap, 145.
Put equalidad to keep the quality of the education and the student to teacher ratio are capped internally as 140.
Yeah, and then Guaha and the class form Baba and Titori class, yeah. So
But
depending
this
on the.
upcoming school year is Tulu. We're gonna do two Tulus, and then we have to be very strategic on who we place in the other grades to ensure that we have the quality and no student is left behind or or we do a track.
The fluency cohorts, right? They go by cohorts, so we have to end it at a certain point. Yes, ma'am. We have to end or close the enrollment at a certain number. Also considering, what year also they're entering. So I want to say that after kindergarten or first grade, it's harder for them to enter because
The fluency.
the fluency rate, they'll be way ahead of the others if we take a new kid in at second grade or third grade, although that's where the openings are.
Okay.
So we almost have to graduate them out and then wait for because all of the bottom grades now, 3, 4, 2,
First and
5,
second.
Lima, kinder and first grade are full. We might only have 1 or 2 slots to open up.
So if you open a second Tulu, are you anticipating the next year to open a second backpack also?
Yeah, we have.
Because to keep the number in the
Okay.
classroom
So once
size?
we open the second Tulu, then everything
Every
becomes
year,
second.
para. That's
So we need classrooms.
So that will be an influx to the 250 eventually cohort, the second
Yes.
class.
So Guaha demand for class
Okay.
Hunggan.
for dogs.
Okay.
But
But we have the combo, we have for yung
And
basic
for
ones.
and teachers, Visita,
Yes. Once it's missing in people's minds that it's free, Yes, we paid it when we account.
I8 ihanapsan sa Lapi, we do have the Warrior Call fundraiser in aking Hurao. Wala Huntan Committee di mamala na semana, first that huzuli update para hanzu. We'll be having an update meeting with the committee on that next week, and then we'll send out updates on what that's gonna take place. Then Maga'låhen is coming up on the 10th, next week, Saturday. Esta depende de qué sea y oficina.
Malagi sa bay fight since ako Mangge'helo, pero nalimitin na from now, kasi pag na mayroong hamzo na Mangge'helo.
Kusini inadula.
Este si Joa Fahan Unamasa. Unamasa was by 9 hamzo yes, kara uno yes. Tagging, tagging often in a singer dito kung baby and can see that. Can see that. Often there's a baha ko bali siya to pesos sila namu. And then mas, okay, see. Lo ba na to understand pa naman. Tagi ha mga rin na sinuwizo.
No pressure, just time.
Yeah.
But that's gonna be the 10th at Leo Palace, from 10 to 2, and it's brunch is included. Okay. I8 graduation essa season we masangan po graduation. Muli 5 dan 5. Hari 5 wahu Maga'låhen Hurao. So we'll be working together soon for all the decorations and stuff. So what I do is like she
That is
mentioned,
one okay.
Negative.
the 28th. Then Imanov retreat, now the schedule Imanov retreat para module the size that it was last week. So Sunday Winnie decided to stay an extra day in Sayusan.
But you
Back
told
it,
me
You guys, I miss my
we missed their flight. So we had to reschedule for next week, and that's going to be at Crown Hotel. Ay. Pues para este church na sujeto, tatulay para work session, then diskuti mas health insurance, then lease corrections, then marketing contract. We'll have a work session coming up next week regarding those three. Plus for the board retreat, we need to schedule a board retreat. We're looking at somewhere in June.
I think Junio.
Again, para Junio sa bahay nuevo na officers.
The necesita tena nuevo y strategic plan sa esta 5 años es una strategic plan de esta mga 3 años kasi tatahalan sa project 5 años mas 5 años.
So everything changed from our last one. We got the school, and then all of that just went from 5 years far out to okay tomorrow. Tomorrow we're at school. Pues
Now 5 years.
Pues Mangge'helo schedule. I'll reach out to you guys to see what works for all of us. Because we all need to be here. Probably i-anuncio para 8 mas. Lo pinatukahan na imamala na Huntan Mangge'helo. Upolo Winnie Diha Gimadu, that's the last day of school.
Joe is sponsoring all our kids for the lighting right out on that day.
Change if it's not.
No, that's the last day.
We can move the board.
He's bringing us all up on the books, the kids. We used to bring in 30 kids from Shentu.
So there'll be more information coming out on that. Para totally Menendez here.
It was like, what am I getting myself into?
Welcome to the club. Is that to adjourn, Malakat? Pagbaha 8 mas, Juan?
Sito, musyon po man po.
More than people.
Okay. Pagbaha mo siya para yung
Go by Kali Bunzi, Tara Haposte.
Go by Sinabudi.
They're the teachers who said, my God, has got corrected.
Pues ya quitado más. Esta fue cuestión de a las 5.
Antes de
Kaya sabi ko nung i-live stream.
Adjust.